seashore at the end of day, gazes the horizon with sea winds in his face. Tempest-tossed island, seasons all the same, anchorage and painted and a ship without a name. Sea without a shore for the banished one unheard, light as the beagle light at the end of the world, showing the way, lighting hope in their hearts, the ones in their travels all watered from afar. This is a long forgotten light at the end of the world, horizon crying the tears you left behind long ago. Making him daydream the time before he became one of the world's to see. Princess in the tower, children in the fields, life gave him it all and not another universe. Oh, now his love's a memory, a ghost in the fog. He sets the sails one last time, saying farewell to the world, anchor to